Hi everyone. So today I'm going to discuss about how I use ChatGPT to write BRDs in 30 minutes. Okay, and I have mentioned 30 minutes, but definitely I would take less than that to write BRDs, and BRD will be completed. Okay, so for that, here I have mentioned 4 steps to write BRDs and to finish the BRD. So as you could see this, the prepare your input. Okay, prepare your input. So and then the master prompt, then domain review, and then the final polish. So these are the steps to follow the writing the proper BRD. So why have I mentioned the prepare your input? You have to spend 5 minutes. This is the step. This is the step most people skip. They paste raw unfiltered notes into the chat GPT and wonder why the output is not why the output is disorganized. Okay, the quality of chat GPT produce is directly determined by the quality of what you give it. Okay, the way you give it. If you give the garbage will be out. Okay, garbage in, garbage out, right? Step 2, the master prompt. You have to one structured prompt, like I would say that one structured prompt that I am going to show you in full generates the complete BRD framework in under 4 minutes. Okay, it will take 30 minutes, and you will see the exact prompt and what comes back, right? Step 3, so domain review. So domain review, you have to spend at least 10 to 15 minutes to think about it, and you have to go for domain review. This is the most important step and the step that requires your expertise. You fix the domain errors ChatGPT made and the regulatory content it makes. Now the final one, the final polish. Okay, so, what happens here, that your documentation tools number requirements and versions control and send within a structured cover note, right? I'm gonna show you the exact prompts, okay, which I have prepared. So prepare your input, what you put in, determine what you get out, right? As I mentioned earlier, that garbage in, garbage out, right? So here you have to think about it in this manner. Product and stakeholder context, then a small talk and meeting admin, every requirement mentioned, even half famed ones. Use simple bullet points, note full sentence. Open questions and unresolved items, label the section in your notes loosely. So if I show you my prompt, exact prompts which I have written, and I always use in this manner to write the BRD. So as you could see this, you are a senior business analyst at a digital lending company in India. Okay, and the role assignment, keep this exactly as written. Okay, you have to write it based on the workshop notes. Below, write a complete BRD with these sections. Okay, so sections also I mentioned the document purpose and objective. Then here scope. So document, what this document covers and what business objective it serves, right? Scope, explicitly list what it is in scope and what it is out of scope. Stakeholders, list every stakeholder's role mentioned in the notes with their interest. Functional requirement, I'm talking about the functional requirement. I'm talking about the non-functional requirement. Okay, I'm talking about the data requirement. Assumptions and constraints. Okay, open questions as well. Now here you could see this, I have mentioned this, use shall word for mandatory and may for option. Never use should. Flag any area where you are uncertain with review needed. Okay, requirement sequentially starting FR01. So this is what I have mentioned. And if I talk about the notes, okay, I have mentioned multiple times that what are the notes you have kept it during the workshop, that notes you have to put it. So this is the section where you have to put the notes. So this is what I have mentioned. This is the prepared notes. I have put it 5 minutes of structuring, context, KYC module, digital personal loan, salaried, stakeholder, risk head, product manager, tech lead, compliance officers, functional, Aadhaar KYC wire, OTP mandatory for all customers, OTP retry limit 3 per session. Okay, this way, PAN verifications. Okay, loan amount 50,000 rupees. Then a CKYC risk, registry check required if customer records exist, compliance to confirm scope, video KYC. Okay, fallback if Aadhaar OTP fails. Okay, and open questions as well. What is the handling for customer with non-seated Aadhaar, no mobile number linked? Okay, is KYC retrieval mandatory or optional for new to lending customers? Video KYC agent sourcing in house or third party? Okay, so this is the proper prompt I have mentioned, and I would copy paste and I would put it on ChatGPT here. And if I hit the enter button, so definitely ChatGPT will do the analysis and see this. I'm getting the proper BRD the way I have mentioned. In a similar way I'm getting, right? So this is what as I was talking about it. Okay, this would as I was talking about it. See, open questions are also there and end of the document. So the way you give the input, see this business requirement document, the document purpose and objective, here it is mentioned. Here objective is also mentioned clearly. Okay, if you read them, and scope is mentioned. See this scope, out of scope is also mentioned as I said it. Stakeholders, so risk head, product manager, tech lead, and compliance. So this is what I have mentioned. Function requirement, as I mentioned at FR001, right? This is also mentioned. Then if I go ahead with non-function requirements, here see this NR, right? Non-function requirements, data requirements. Okay, CKYC and R PAN verification, video KYC, outputs, data storage, data retentions, then assumptions also mentioned, then open questions are also mentioned. End of the document. So I would say that you have got this a BRD in a proper format, but before sending to anybody, you have to review by yourself, okay, and ask your senior members to review them, then only send it anywhere. Otherwise because this ChatGPT or any AI tools, it fetches the data of whatever the data is available on internet, okay, based on that. But it might have certain questions, function requirement, non-function requirement, which you might not need it, which you might have to remove, okay. And there could be multiple information which you do not need to put it in BRD documents. So that is your responsibility. It's your responsibility to review the documents properly and then send it to anyone whomsoever it is required, right? So this put the link of this text file so that you can use them. And again, if I go ahead with here, follow-up prompts also I have mentioned. Okay, so if I copy this exactly, so this is what I have showed you just now. This is what I have showed you just now, that you have to paste your prompt and notes here, and domain review where your expertise creates the value. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier that document is ready, BRD is ready, but you have to take the help of the expertise to review the documents. Okay, domain review, it is very much and mandatory. Like domain errors, here I have mentioned example that AI wrote minimal income 50,000. Your policy says that 25,000 minimal, 25,000 rupees. So there your expertise is required and you have to review the documents. Okay, missing regulatory requirements, lending specific age cases. Okay, you need to like AI example, AI omitted the 72 hours customer cancellation window entirely, but FR for every API failure scenario will with a specific fallback, right? So I have mentioned certain things which you need to take care of them, and you should not be sending the documents blindly to anyone, because there might be there might be some then discrepancies in discussions, or customers may ask the question that I did not ask for this, why it has been sent, and why these things are mentioned. So you need to have the expertise to review. Okay, now final polish, as I had already mentioned that final polish. So purpose and objective, there should be purpose and objective. Section 2 scope, you need to identify. Section 3 is stakeholders. Then section 4 function requirements. Okay, as I have showed you that function required F000 and F001 likewise. Then non-function requirements, data requirements, assumption, and open questions. So these are the things which we have already seen in by the ChatGPT, which we got it based on our prompts, right? Then KYC module BRD complete 28 minutes example. So if I had to write the same BRD, if I show you again this BRD, from here, if I had to write this BRD with these multiple pages, then definitely I would have taken at least 1 or 2 days to write the BRDs. And but here what happened, that based on our structure prompt, okay, based on our structure prompt, this is the prompt which we used. Based on our structure prompt, it took 1 minute and less than 1 minute, and we got the answers. So That's why AI is useful. Again, I have mentioned the four follow-up prompts as well. This is also I have mentioned in the text, notepad. So I would put the link of this, and you would get it. So gap analysis, like first prompt is gap analysis, and second prompt is user story conversion. So what I have written, you review these requirements for a digital learning product and identify missing scenarios, and test edge cases, boundary condition not specified, and potential conflicts between the requirements. Okay, so I have mentioned the prompts based on what is the best. Okay, and follow prompts also, the gap analysis, then user stories, okay, then execute summaries, then test scenario generations. Okay, so this is what I have written based on my experience and based on what I thought, what I thought of. Okay, and I would request you please use them, and it would be useful. Okay, so that's all about it. That's all about how to write how to write BRD by using the ChatGPT. And I would request you please subscribe this channel, and the channel name is the FinTech BA channel. Here we have the opportunity to learn about the business analysis, learning domain, AI tools, career growths, and multiple things are coming up, like agile analysis certifications, loan management system, and all the repayment schedules. So I would be talking about them. And if you have any questions related to prompts and related to this topic, then please put it in the comment box, and I would provide my response over there. Next, we are going to talk about the ChatGPT prompts for a lending BA. Complete prompt library I would share. Okay, so that's all about it. Thank you very much.